Welcome to Coloring with Sam. Today's mission is to color in our farm animal pictures. Do you want to color along with me and be a part of my secret spy squad? Great! Here we go! Our next mission is to color in our dog, cat, bones, and bowls. Can you help me count how many bones there are? 1, 2, 2 bones. Let's use gray. Wait, I just noticed. There are how many bones? 1, 2, 3. 3 bones on the page. So let's color this bone in as well. Great. Now let's color in our dog bowl. Let's color the outside of our dog bowl in dark blue. And let's color the inside of our dog bowl yellow. Let's also use this yellow to color the inside of our cat bowl. And let's color the outside of the cat bowl in dark purple. And now let's color the fish on the cat bowl in light purple. Great! Now let's color the noses of our cat and dog. Let's use pink. Let's also use this pink inside our cat's ears. Now let's color our cat. Let's use gray for around the cat's eyes. Let's also use this gray for the tip of the cat's tail and for the paws. Now let's use our lightest gray for the cat's body and for the belly of our cat, let's use black. Great! Let's leave this part of the cat white, but if you want to color it in, you can color it any color you want. Now let's color the cat's eyes in green. This part that I'm coloring in is called the iris. The iris is the colored part of the eye. Great! Now let's color our dog. Let's start with our dog's tongue. Let's use red. And for inside the mouth, let's use our peach. Now for this part of the dog's face, let's use a brown. And let's do the tip of the tail this same color brown. Now let's color the dog's body, and let's use a darker brown. I like to outline the entire body first with my marker and then go back and color it in. This just makes it easier for me to stay within the lines. I'm going to create lines with my marker to fill in the rest of the body. I do this by slowly running the marker down the page. Yay! We finished our cat, dog, bones, and food bowl picture. Mission complete. Great job! Thanks for helping me color today, Secret Spy Squad. We did a great job completing our picture. Remember, practice makes better, and always have fun, fun, fun.